Our solar system has always been a source of wonder and mystery. We have explored its planets, moons, and countless other celestial bodies. However, could there be a hidden member of our solar system? This is the Universe Factory, and today's video is all about a hypothetical object in our neighborhood. Something far away beyond the orbit of Neptune, a mysterious object that may be pushing the icy objects towards inner solar system. Before we begin, welcome to our new subscribers, and if you have not already, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I regularly post interesting videos about the universe that you may not want to miss. We are on different social media platforms as well. Links to them are mentioned in the description down below, be sure not to miss. Now without any further ado, let us begin with today's video because it is going to be super interesting. In 2016, astronomers from the Caltech proposed the existence of a ninth planet far beyond the orbit of Neptune. No, we are not talking about Pluto. This hypothetical planet, aptly named Planet 9, could be lurking out in the outer reaches of our solar system. But what led scientists to this bold hypothesis? The key lies in the peculiar orbits of several distant trans-Neptunian objects. These objects exhibit unusual clustering and trajectories which can be best explained by the gravitational influence of a massive unseen planet. So what do we know about this Planet 9? According to the scientists, this planet could be roughly 10 times the mass of Earth and have an elongated orbit, taking it 400 to 800 times farther from the Sun than the Earth. This extreme distance means it could take 10,000 to 20,000 years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Despite its potential size, Planet 9 has remained elusive. Its huge distance from the Sun makes it incredibly faint and difficult to detect with current telescopes. Astronomers are using some of the most powerful telescopes on Earth and in space to search for this hidden planet. The search for Planet 9 is ongoing. New surveys and advancements in telescope technology bring us closer to possibly confirming its existence. If discovered, Planet 9 would not only expand our understanding of the solar system, but also offer insights into planetary formation and migration. Discovery of Planet 9 would be a monumental achievement in astronomy. It could explain the strange orbits of distant objects and even provide clues about other hidden planets in the galaxy. It would be a testament to the enduring human spirit of exploration and curiosity. The mystery of Planet 9 reminds us that even in our own cosmic backyard, there are still secrets waiting to be uncovered. As we gaze into the night sky, we cannot help but wonder what else is out there waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the outer reaches of our solar system. Don't forget to like, share this video if you found it interesting. Subscribe to the channel for more exciting explorations of the universe, just like these videos in the suggestions. I'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Till then, keep looking up.